Welcome! In this presentation, I will be demonstrating Syntegrity's Centralized Deployment Point, or CDP. The CDP is a security orchestration tool for rapidly deploying and configuring your entire security infrastructure. It speeds up your deployments dramatically and lowers costs, while delivering quality deployments by eliminating human involvement in the deployment process. Sound cool? Let's show how it works. The front page of the CDP shows you a summary of deployments that have been made. No matter how many different environments you have to maintain, everything can be viewed within this one page. Deployment management and visibility couldn't be easier. For each deployment scenario, we can also see detailed information about the deployment specification, as well as the current progress of that deployment. A new deployment scenario can be constructed in seconds. Let's begin building a new deployment by giving it a meaningful name, like Instant IAM Stack. We have the ability to choose what kind of environment we deploy to. We have the option of deploying in the cloud, on premises, or even in a hybrid model. For the current deployment, I'm going to choose Amazon Web Services. The CDP supports a rich set of plugins, which we can view on the left-hand side of this screen. The plugins shown here are an example, but the CDP supports many more beyond that. It can control and adapt firewalls, load balancers, and other data security components as well. Syntegrity provides full support for all of the included open source components. Furthermore, the CDP's extensibility enables integration with Chef, Puppet, VMware, or any other existing provisioning tool. Using this architecture design tool, an environment can quickly and easily be designed by dragging and dropping just a few components. In this example, I'm building an environment for the Instant IAM Stack, which is Syntegrity's complete security solution for integration into your identity and access management infrastructure, whatever your IAM system happens to be. However, the CDP can be used to build a rich variety of environments using many other component types. After a few minutes, the diagram is completed and the deployment is ready to go. Note that with the CDP, configuration management is centralized and unified. We see, for example, that our access management component is easily configured with these settable properties, like the application's port. Configuration between the application level and even the hardware level is unified. As we can see, VM attributes like number of CPUs and RAM can be configured. Any deployment prerequisites on the VM level can also be pre-verified before running the installation, which saves effort spent on manual verification of the environment. Next, we see a summary page where all of the details of the deployment are presented in a clear way. This gives you full insight into the deployment process from one location. Once the deployment begins, we can observe its progress using the built-in console. This provides all the details, if that's what you're interested in. Or if the details bore you, you can watch the messages that appear at the top of the screen. Within a few minutes, ba-bam! The entire HA environment is set up and ready to go. This all took place in a matter of minutes, not months. Now let's switch to the deployed environment to see how it works. Here we have the Instant IAM user interface, which was just deployed by the CDP. Using it, I can go ahead and create a new user. And when I click register, the user is then provisioned by Instant IAM. And I can activate the user by providing a valid one-time password. I can also view this user's profile. Or update the user's information if I'm interested. This is an example of a custom application that was deployed by the CDP. We also can see that the application OpenAM, which is our access management solution, was deployed by the CDP. I can log in with valid credentials. and see that the application is working. In this, we can also see that some custom configurations, in this case some custom authentication modules, have also been provisioned. This concludes our demonstration of Syntegrity's centralized deployment point. Please join us in our next demo as we present in greater detail Instant IAM, Syntegrity's complete solution for all your security needs. Thank you for watching.